established na ang lead ko 257,000 votes.
Would you want that declared na kayo talaga ang clean winner?
Yes, sense of fulfillment na at least vindication, tapos ng hirap ko, mayroon palang fruitful ending. At saka, I need that to really report to work at the Senate. Without that, I cannot report to work. Pag walang madaya, buhay kay saya. Use your kokote.
Coco Pimentel, galit sa cheater. Pagdating sa Senado, tsak na may kakampi ka. Use your kokote. Vote 27. Si Coco Pimentel, lalaban para sa atin. Pagboto nyo, just number 27.
Pag walang madaya, buhay kay saya.
Use your kokote.